Hello everyone, I'm Shenlan Amy. How to maintain this DTG printer? We divide it into daily maintenance, weekly maintenance, and monthly maintenance. Before maintenance, print a testing bar first. Remove the hook in white margin in the software. Then click Adjust and select nozzle status. Observe if there is a broken. If there is, clean it first. If no, start maintenance. Move the printing turret to the middle. Pour out the special cleaning liquid for the nozzle for backup. Use a cotton swab with cleaning liquid to wipe the waste ink on the scraper surface. Replace it in time if a gap is found. Wipe the ink pad as well. Replace it in time if a gap is found. Pour in moisturizing liquid on the white ink pad. Give the moisturizing liquid parallel to the ink stack. Use a cotton swab to wipe the bottom plate and be careful not to wipe the nozzle area. Then reset the trolley. Spray the cotton swab with industrial alcohol. Gently wipe in one direction. Wipe both front and back. Apply lubricating grease to the race. Apply to the top button and front. Remove the ink tank cover at the back. Correct the current limiting grid at the top of the long filter. And unscrew the long filter interface. Unscrew the return ink tube. Unplug the ink shortage arrest power cord. Unplug the agitator power cord. Unscrew the lower ink tube. Remove the white import and rinse it clean. Wait for the washed ink pot to dry. Restore it again. Reconnect the agitator power cord according to the light color. Red to red, black to black. Restore the ink pot in place. Plug in the ink shortage arrest power cord. Rescrew the return ink tube and lower ink tube. Unscrew the wrong filter. Replace with a new filter with the arrows pointing down. Screw on the ink tube. Open the current limiting clip. Replace the indent cover.